The SoloTower from Lyre, the mobile work platform. Faster, safer and simpler solo assembly. Regulations to improve occupational safety when handling working equipment usually involve reduced profitability. With the Lyre SoloTower, you retain your independence and profitability. That's because, as its name implies, it can be assembled and dismantled solo. You don't need a second person for it. The main features straight away. Assembly is intuitive and easy, just as you're used to from Lyre. Tool-free with our proven Lyre connection technology. The SoloTower assembly hooks enable components to be positioned ready for risk-free assembly using the 3T method. This means that each level is already completely secure before it's fully accessed. Here's how it works. The lightweight and handy aluminium components are used to construct quickly and without any tools a transport trolley for conveying all the parts to the intended location. When the location is reached, the components are taken out. Then the ladder frames are inserted, paired. Now a further double guardrail is attached. The access deck is moved up to the 2-meter level. Then the telescoping stabilizers are fitted. These ensure a firm stance. On uneven ground too. The components for the rest of the tower are now positioned on the SoloTower assembly hooks. The double guardrails are attached from a secured position. That completes the advancing side protection. We already know what comes next. Ladder frames, access deck. Then the assembly hooks, and the remaining components are simply moved upwards. And the same thing follows. Double guardrail, second double guardrail, and finally the lightweight toe board rim made of aluminium is folded out and put in place. That's it, and the tower is simply dismantled in the reverse order. The SoloTower from Lyre, the mobile work platform. Faster, safer and simpler solo assembly. Compact component dimensions are economical and efficient. Sturdy components are durable and stable. The Lyre SoloTower, the tower that provides what it promises. Solo assembly quickly and safely.